Hi everyone, we are here today to introduce you our latest product, Rero, in conjunction with our 9th anniversary.
Rero is a robot construction kit at a whole new level, featuring easy to use hardware design and programming tools. After many years of hard work, Rero is finally ready for production. Rero is fully designed by Malaysian. This is the first ever robot kit to be produced in Malaysia.
Today is a very special day for Citron as we launch our very own Rero to the world and start pre-sales at Indiegogo.com. The pre-sales will run for 1 month. We hope you can support us, support Malaysia's first robot like how you have been supporting Citron for the past 9 years. Back us now at Indiegogo.com so that you can get Rero at the lowest price. The quantity is limited, so make sure you grab it fast. And please help us to spread the news to your friend. Thank you.
Featuring easy to use
Today is a very special Today is a very special Today is a very special day for Citron as we launch our very own Rero to the world. Today is a very special day for Citron as we launch our Rero to the world. Today is a very special. Today is
featuring easy to use hardware and programming tools.